Hi, it's MacGyver, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade M&M cookies. The ingredients you're going to need for these cookies is 1 cup packed brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup of shortening, 2 eggs, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1½ cups of candy-coated milk chocolate pieces, basically M&Ms or something like them. You're going to want to separate the M&Ms. This is 3/4 of a cup, which is actually going to go into the cookie batter, and then the rest will be used to top the cookies right before you bake them. Start off, you're going to want to mix your 2 types of sugar, which is brown sugar, your white sugar, along with your eggs, your shortening, and your vanilla extract. And you're going to want to cream these together, and since the mixer is really loud, I don't want to hurt people's ears, I'll just show you what it looks like once you're done creaming it. This is what it looks like when it's creamed together. And now you're going to want to add your flour, your salt, and your teaspoon of baking soda. So first I'm going to put my salt and flour in. Then I'm going to add, there's my flour going in. And then you're just going to mix this together and blend it well. And then I'll show you what it looks like from there. This is what it looks like once it's all combined. Now you're just going to fold in your M&Ms or knockoff M&Ms, whichever. Here's what it looks like once you folded in your M&Ms. Next, you're going to drop the dough by teaspoons onto the baking sheet, and then you're going to slightly push in some more candies on the top, and I'll show you what it looks like once you finish that step. And you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350. So here's what they look like once you put the candies on top, and the next step is to bake them at 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Here's the finished product, and I just made 2 trays, so I have all this left over for another night. Hope you enjoyed. That's my recipe. I hope you all like and subscribe, and if you have any ideas for what I should do next, just leave a comment down below. Thanks.